I get wrapped up in my own head. Life takes over, and whenever I go off and do something different, I've seen it all over the world, that human spirit.
It was just a wonderful surprise when he phoned me a few weeks ago and said, you know, can we do another trip?
You go, what is this energy I'm feeling? You know, and it's the energy of community and life and helping each other. I really see that so much in these schools. Mary's Meals encourages that cooperation and that community spirit.
I never ever tire of coming somewhere where children are eating Mary's meals and just meeting them and meeting the community. And we always want to reach the places where life is most difficult for children. We've proven to ourselves this works, and now it's, can we reach those other schools that are waiting?
First school visit of the trip here in Mirabelais. It's a school where the children eat Mary's meals. They just started getting Mary's meals a few months ago, so it'll be great to go and see them and start to talk to them about this idea of a nativity play.
Well, the nativity was funny because, like, what am I doing? He said, you're going to direct these kids in a nativity play, and I'm like, well, that's great if we have a bit of time, but we get there and there's no costumes, no nothing, so we're really starting from scratch. They surprise you with, you know, what they can pull out of the bag, their ingenuity of how they have to make the most of what little they have. Nobody ever came to me to make costumes, let me tell you that. Various items around the house that were used to make these kids, just pieces of cloth that were kind of thrown together in a certain way. And suddenly you look, this looks like a proper play. You look like a wise man, and you look like a wise woman. It's the wise people. That day, we, you know, just getting them to speak up. C'est bon. Gosh, she's so beautiful. Try it like this. Really raise your voice so we can hear you at the back and make 2 big moves. Loud. Boy, get them done. We're over here. Okay. All right. So I thought, okay, we're going to go back today. They'll have rehearsed it some, but it's going to be pretty hard, which is fine. You know, it was going to be charming. They had a curtain in front. Suddenly it had a whole different atmosphere. I got quite excited. I remember waiting for my nativity play, and it was like, took forever. Forever. Ever.
What? Edem, Dabri, Madame va la coucher. T'allais là? Est-ce qu'on va gagner chambre dans l'hôtel là?
It was incredible. I don't have anywhere to go.
Non, pas de place. Hôtel me plaît déjà. Tu vas mettre manger. Merci. Père Noël, qui descend du ciel, habillé pour cadeau, pour tout monde la Rio, ouais!
It was way more than charming. I mean, it was really touching. Suddenly you go, oh, it just was a little key to open that door. And then when that door's open, they are magnificent and give you so much more than you give them.